Welcome, investor. Today's briefing on Smartworks Coworking Spaces. Limited's much anticipated IPO, opening July 10, 2025. We'll cover the company profile, IPO structure, financials, valuation, and key risks for investors. Smartworks is India's largest managed campus operator, with over 10 million square feet of flexible workspaces across major metros and more than 800 corporate clients. Founded by Nitish Sarda and Harsh Binani, the company has grown its area by 1.9 million square feet since filing its DRHP, broadening both geography and service offerings. The IPO size is 583 crore, split into A, Rs 405 crore fresh issue and a 27.56 crore offer for sale of 33.79 lakh shares by existing shareholders. The price band has been set at 387 to 407 rupees per share, with a minimum application of 36 shares per lot for retail investor. The subscription window runs from July 10 to July 14, 2025. Allotment is scheduled for July 15, with listing on BSE and NSE on July 17. On July 9th, 12 anchor investors picked up 42.66 lakh shares at the upper price band of 407 rupees each, raising 173.64 crore ahead of the public offer. In FY23, Smartworks reported revenue of 711 crore, which surged to 1,374 crore in FY25, a compound annual growth rate of 38.9%. Adjusted EBITDA jumped from Rs 36 crore to 172 crore over the same period, delivering a remarkable 117% CAGR. Company will be used to repay 17 crore of debt and 225 crore of funds in fit out, security deposits for new centers and cover general corporate purposes. At the upper price band, the IPO implies a post issue valuation of about 645 crore, just below listed peer office, which is valued at roughly 800 crore. As of midday July 10, overall subscriptions stood at around 11%, led by strong interest from non institutional investors at 18% and retail at 15%. Key risks include geographic concentration, about 75% of revenues come from Pune, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, and Mumbai centers, and increasing competition in the co working space, which is resulting in more competitive industry. However, robust demand for flexible working spaces and disciplined capital deployment positions the SmartWorks for steady growth post listing. Good luck with your investment decisions. Press the bell icon, like and share, subscribe, stay for the more news update.